Hi, welcome to our Valentine's Day episode of Very Unprepared. I'm Savannah.
I'm Em.
I'm Elias.
I'm Chevy. I'm Adam.
I'm Sam.
We're making heart-shaped pizza. And a...
Cupid's love potion.
Yep, that.
And while we're doing that, While we're doing that, we're going to be doing random trivia questions. And if you get it right, you're fine. But if you get it wrong, we've got challenges for you. Well, them, not you. But you get it.
You're in the microwave. Yes, you are.
Yeah, our tripod is not working.
Why are you in the microwave, bro?
Tell him that.
Get out of the microwave.
We're going to be doing random sounds that'll just go off whenever. That'll tell us when we're doing our challenge. So I'm just gonna find a random one. We'll do this one. And whenever it goes off, this one will do our challenge. Okay, so the challenges are now starting with sound. So whenever the sound goes off, that's happening. So collectively,
I'm reading it.
this is your dough.
Do we get to beat it up?
Sure.
Put these on, it looks orange.
Hold it together.
It looks like
Together,
it's
Chevy.
Mango or something.
That is your dough.
Oh
Chevy!
my God!
Chevy, what is the largest desert in the world?
Antarctica.
Ding, ding, ding.
Wow.
I am not saying in Indiana.
Okay, she's more experienced in this than I am.
I'm experienced in shapes.
She's Italian.
Okay, that
I
has
am
nothing
too.
to do with this.
Or sing songs on.
Elias!
Are you ready for your trivia question?
Sure.
What year did Toy Story, the first one, come out?
Give a list of years.
Why? 1990, 1992, 1995, or 1999?
Oh, I'm cooked.
Guess?
So will that pizza be?
You're not funny.
Alright, they were all in the 90s. Yeah, that's what I would have gone with too.
1999.
It was 95.
Oh, wow.
So go ahead and draw one.
1995. Wow,
That's
that's
one.
first.
It's really small. Okay, what does it say?
Why do you know so much?
Do
about
a
that?
shot of lemon juice.
I actually used to do that as a kid.
Let's get the lemon juice.
I'm a lemon, yellow and bright, sour and tangy, such a delight. From tree to table, I make my way, bringing
But we can't make this
sunshine
show.
to your day.
And you just did straight face? Are you kidding me?
I used to do shots of lemon juice as a kid.
Should we?
Chevy!
When was Star Wars 1 released? Okay. 1971. Wrong! 1977. Well, it's a thin paper. It's gotta
Alright,
be
read
wrong.
it out loud.
Everything you say for the next 5 minutes has to start with this is probably wrong, but
5 minutes
time
started.
limit. This is probably wrong, but this isn't really an issue.
I just think it's funny.
This is probably wrong. I think our pizza looks amazing.
That's really funny, Chevy.
This is probably wrong, but it isn't. This is probably wrong. Actually, definitely wrong. You're drinking pickle juice.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Elias!
This is probably wrong, but that, yeah, do it.
According to OpinionStage.com, what is the official animal of Scotland?
Give her options.
Unicorn.
What the heck?
No,
How do you know that?
This is probably wrong,
I've
but
heard of
she's
it.
smart.
What?
This is probably wrong, but you're not understanding me.
You stole a pepperoni.
No, I didn't.
This is probably wrong, but gank her. This is probably wrong, but he's happy.
Why did you set them like that?
This is probably wrong, but he's happy.
Oh, you're gonna get like one bite with one pepperoni in it.
This is probably wrong, but I want him to be happy.
Me. Oh, guys.
Stop!
What animal is known to laugh or been proven to have a sense of humor?
So it's probably not 4, Elias.
4.
probably
What if
wrong,
I'm
but-
tricking you though? What if I'm tricking you
Well,
though?
the answer I was thinking.
4
Isn't even on
is
this list.
groundhogs.
I don't know, rats.
Let's go! You got it right.
Oh, heck yeah.
I don't think she asked.
5 minutes.
Chubby's free.
Poggers, guys.
Oh, don't say that.
Oh.
W's in the chat.
Oh yeah, freaks. So how does this work?
Oh my
babe?
gosh, Sam.
How we
We're
feeling?
gonna shape this into a
does this
heart,
work?
and then we're gonna go.
Okay, I'll flatten it so fast. We won't even get a single question. Stop it.
Wait,
She's
really?
not letting me lock
He
in.
turned
That's
into a
really
velociraptor.
awkward.
I know.
I'm gonna put.
I see red.
When I get angry.
I see red.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
Please
Stand up.
Now, can you get?
Yes,
What is the largest island in the world?
Island.
Island. Island.
Island.
I want to go, and I'm gonna be wrong.
Probably.
Hawaii?
Australia!
No.
Yeah!
Continent.
It's
Australia is just a
Listen.
giant island.
it's Greenland. What is it?
Sit down / stand up whenever somebody tells you for the next 10 minutes. So
Sit
whenever
down.
you
Sit
guys
down.
say-
Sit down.
Hold on, I need to start a timer and then I'll sit down.
Hey Adam.
Sit down!
Keep making that pizza.
It's for 10 minutes.
See,
I
Emma,
wanna
this
sit on the
this
floor
really
with
isn't
you.
working
Stand
for you.
I have low iron.
Sit down.
Yes, abuse of power.
We're melting
Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Sit down.
What are we using butter for? Stand up,
Sit down.
stand up,
Sit
down.
stand up,
Sit down.
stand down.
it. You guys need to come to an agreement.
Sit up. Sit up.
Okay.
Sit up.
Okay. Sit down.
Sit down.
Sit up.
I want it melted all the way.
When did you come up with
Now or
this?
later?
This is for chaotic. What if we?
Adam,
me.
Adam, down.
Which planet is known as the blue planet?
This is easy.
This isn't my guess, but I want to say Uranus. It's Neptune. It's Neptune.
It's Earth.
What? That's
Oh
so
yeah,
bad.
it is.
Host a funeral, stand up, with the object that the farthest person away from you chooses. Yeah, that's you.
Let's go see what Sam finds.
Guys. 4. Dying flowers. No, dinosaur? Dinosaur.
Today we mourn the loss of a soldier. He had a purple heart, and he was in all of our hearts. Mr. Rhino Man here.
It's not a rhino. What?
He died in battle, saving a puppy. Shut up! He died because of a puppy. He was trying to save the puppy.
I'm so glad I don't have to sit down and watch this.
This is a very sad loss.
No,
If you want to donate to Mr. Dinosaur Man, there's also some other ways you can provide, namely giving me drinks, soda, food, chips,
Root beer specifically.
root beer. You were such a good. Oh my gosh, it's so wet.
So, I have a question for you, Emma.
Oh, I need more water.
I'm going
Oh,
to.
what animal's milk is pink?
What the Sigma?
Pink cows.
Hippopotamus.
Okay, you're.
Why
going
would you?
off.
You gotta get a little bit on the crust.
Both. Both. How many molecules of oxygen does ozone have? 1, 2, 3, 4,
I don't know. I think the obvious choice might be Sam, but I don't want to go with that one just because. I don't know. 3. What?
No, you're right.
Okay, I was gonna say what?
Oh, I'm having anything.
What?
Good.
Why did it just go off?
This is your Pillsbury Doughboy. Now hold it together. Together.
Wait.
Sam,
Well, why can't I have my hand on top?
there you go.
Thank you.
Go create something beautiful.
Thanks, chef. Oh yeah. Here, let me see. I got it.
All right, Sam, the
Wait,
professional.
I worked at Subway.
That's not a pizza place.
Oh.
I work at Subway.
No way.
What is she doing?
Let me see. Let me see. I want to try.
Okay.
Alright.
You dropped that thing.
Whoa! Wait, you're kind of doing it.
Yeah, I know. I worked at Subway.
Wait.
Oh!
What are you talking about? Working at Subway.
No.
Savannah.
Which show is the highest grossing production on Broadway ever?
Hey, Newsies, Hamilton, Lion King, or
Little Mermaid.
Little Mermaid.
Hamilton.
Wrong! It's Lion King.
Reacts to everything like it's super suspicious.
What?
And we'll do until the turn is over, like until you're done making your pizza.
What are you guys talking about? Like,
You.
oh, okay.
It's not good.
So is it?
We know what you did.
Does this look okay?
Hey Savannah, I have your sunglasses for you.
Yeah, they fell off while you were dancing around with Sam.
They did? Oh. No, that's okay. I think I'm alright. I actually don't feel like wearing sunglasses. No, I'm actually okay.
She acts like you're selling her
Stop.
drugs.
No. Shut up!
They're making her.
I don't trust you. Go away. Sam.
What is the deer? What name does deer meat go by?
You're
Savannah,
joking.
it's okay.
I don't remember it.
I'm sure he's.
This is crazy.
I'm sure
You
he's
could
heard
probably
about
go
it.
dig in my freezer and find
It's a
stuff
1
right
in
now.
4. Just guess.
Venison.
Yeah.
Whoa! Shame.
No.
I'm not
Freaking
doing
Which country held?
Ba-da-ba.
She said little seasons. Yo, Savannah!
Hey. Which popular soft drink was originally created as a medicine in the 19th century? A. Root beer. B. Coca-Cola. 3. Pepsi. 4. Fanta.
Root beer.
Nope, it's Coca-Cola.
Oh yeah, cause
Yeah, back when it had cocaine in it.
So your arm's supposed to go like this. Ulysses came up with this one.
I
Villager.
can't. How do I even do it?
He was making fun of digits.
Oh.
Okay. Which religion dominated the Middle Ages? My bad, bro.
But I'm gonna go with Catholicism.
Catholicism. We're making our Cupid's potion now. So first we're adding in strawberry Fanta into here.
Oh, Emma, that's you.
That's not me, it's Savannah.
John F. Kennedy was
Oh, I like-
assassinated in which city?
Oh, stop. Wait.
Was
I'm
I
just
right?
gonna go with New York.
No.
It was Houston.
Nope, it was Dallas.
Dallas?
Dallas,
Okay, that was like my
Texas.
last guess. So.
We were making the thing. She was
Act
doing
like
stuff
color
on hers.
and let everybody guess what color you are.
Don't Oh, blue.
Okay, but like.
No, but don't tell us what color you are.
That is like super cool.
Beige.
Very pretty. I really
Don't
like
tell us
beige.
until everybody's guessed.
Well, this is what I think the color that I am acts like, and I think it's really pretty.
Are you like a blue?
Green.
I think she's very like relaxed.
Hey, he knows.
She's a green.
Right. I had a lot of pink. He likes that.
He's a pink kind.
It's fallen over. There we go. There we go.
We're gonna give this to Adam, and Adam's gonna taste test it. It was very sticky.
Friends. Everybody is going to work together. You don't have to work.
Drink.
You don't have to do anything. How am I supposed to drink this? I need a straw.
He needs a straw.
Remind me.
Yeah.
Straw.
I kind of just want to like shove my face in this.
Thoughts?
Pretty bueno.
You got a little something.
You get special.
Oh.
Drink these. That was gross, bro.
So we are going to have Savannah's brother judge our pizzas. So she's gonna call him or FaceTime him and judge
Why is it
all
Google
of them.
workspacing it? I'm gonna Google workspacing.
Savannah and Sam. Adam and Emma.
Why is it not letting me do that?
Oh.
So who's the winner?
I would have to say pizza number 1 because they obviously.
Savannah, you told him.
I did not tell him.
Savannah, you told him.
I did not tell
Who
him.
gets second?
That was ours. Me and
Them.
Sam's.
They get second.
Who gets second?
I don't like pizza.
Who gets second?
Second is the last one. What did that middle one?
We're gonna do a taste test of my pizza.
So I suppose
Savannah's brother called it a breakup pizza,
But we're not gonna break up.
no. So this is what it looks like.
We didn't make the
I can
cards, and we don't really have a
Mm.
crust.
Hey. Hey, no.
This is actually really good.
I really thought your guys'
I really like this.
I'm not gonna lie.
Delicious.
So,
Adam,
yeah, as you will.
try your pizza.
Elias is just like really good cooking. It's,
Yes.
it's that Italian in her.
It's my mom. She's awesome.
Come.
It's just really flavorful.
We gotta make an outro.
Thanks for watching Very Unprepared. This is it.
That's it. And
That's all.
we filmed an outro this time. We remembered.
Great pizza.
Yes, our pizza was very good. Mine was very yummy. Yes, it's recording.
And Cupid's love potion.
That punch.
It was pretty good.
Yeah.
Very
Pretty
good.
good.
I'm in love.
Yeah. All right.
All right. Bye.
You can go now.
Fade to
All
black.
right. You can go.
Fade
You
to
go.
black.